Good evening, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our fresh into stock VW Caravelle. It's a 2.5 TDI SE, 6-speed manual, 7-seater. It's a pure drive SE model. As you can see, metallic grey, front park sensors which work, front fog lamps. Lovely metallic grey paintwork which is not dented or scratched or rusty in any way. Fitted mud flaps all round, rear park sensors, tow bar, twin electrics, don't know whether you can see but the exhaust is new under there, shiny and silver. Alloy wheels, privacy glass, roof rails, roof bars and an electric tilt slide glass sunroof. The mirrors are electric and electrically folding. It's a 7-seater. It has cloth trim, electric windows, as I say, electric mirrors which electrically fold as well. Fitted mats, armrests to both front seats. Radio and CD player, digital climate control and air conditioning. ESP, which is traction control. Glass tilt slide sunroof. Say 7 seats. Alright, so this one has the built-in child seats ×2, which are a great optional extra. Picnic table. Rear air conditioning and climate control. These seats slide backwards and forwards. They also swivel round. You can fold them forward to gain access to the bench seat in the back, which has the 3 storage lockers underneath. Nice and clean throughout. Carpets, plastics, all in nice condition. So as I say, tow bar, park sensors, privacy glass, new disc and pads to the rear, new exhaust, just had new front suspension arms, just had the engine oil change. Now this vehicle's covered 126,000 miles, but it has 14 services and has just had a big service, including new rear brakes. I don't know whether you can see through there, but they're new. New exhaust. Very nice paintwork. New front discs as well, and brake pads. Show you in here. Another fold-away child seat with the children's head protectors. Not knocked about in any way. Drives absolutely brilliantly. Clean, very, very tidy, no tears or rips or wear. 126,626 miles. 6-speed manual diesel. Caravelle. Really, really nice example. Priced at £12,995. The 2007 57 2.5 TDI SE Pure Drive. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company's social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook and Instagram, or please go to YouTube where this video will be hosted and all of our car videos are hosted. If you go to the Barclay Motor Company YouTube channel, please subscribe and then you'll be the first to get a little notification each time we upload fresh stock. Thank you for your time this evening and goodbye.